In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to show icon on your Windows 11 desktop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. You can also navigate to your keyboard, press Windows key and I key together, and in that manner, you would be able to bring up the settings window. Now from here, please navigate to the left pane and locate where the option called the personalization. So please click on it. And once you are here at the personalization section, you need to locate for the themes. Click on this one. And the moment you have bring up the theme settings, you need to scroll down, find for related settings, and under it, you would be able to see desktop icon settings being placed here at the first. So aligning to it, you can see there a forward arrow icon. Click on this. The moment you do it, you would be able to bring up a new window called Desktop Icon Settings. So by that, you can now close the settings so that we can focus on this one. So in order to show the icons here in your Windows 11 desktop, all you need to do is you need to identify the specific icon that you would like to show. So let's say, for example, you would like to show the This PC icon on your desktop. All you need to do is you need to turn the box beside computer checked. Okay? So in that way, when you click on apply here, you would be able to show this PC here in your desktop. Okay, so aside from that, you can also show the files, the network, the recycle bin, the control panel here in your desktop by clicking on apply and then OK. You would be able to eventually show that specific icons here that you have selected at the desktop icon settings here in your Windows 11 desktop. Okay, so in this way, you can easily navigate to this PC where you can manage your computer. You can easily navigate to the control panel where you can adjust the computer settings. You can navigate to your user files by navigate to your user files icon, and you can also go with your network. So might as well go with your recycle bin where here you can restore where you can delete permanently files or datas that are being deleted here in your Windows 11. Now that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.